Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. So first things first, I am actually vlogging this day, so you might have already seen the vlog. This is that video that I was filming. So hey guys, from the vlog, I brushed all my hair out in preparation for actually washing my hair and then styling it again. And then I was like, hang on, this looks kind of cute. I mean, I personally love my hair like this. I love her. I want to show you some hairstyles so that you can actually wear your hair like this and feel cute, because why not? Curly girls deserve to be able to brush their hair and wear it like that. Like, why is everyone always like, this is why I don't brush curly hair? Like, are you kidding? This is why you don't? Like, seriously? It looks so nice. I like it. So I'm gonna shout out somebody who commented on my last video. I'm gonna shout out Akila Malone. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's a really nice name. Thanks so much for watching my last video and leaving a comment. So if you guys want to have your comment pinned, or if you want to have a shout out, then just make sure you leave a comment in this video. I don't know, just let me know about your day, and let's crack on with the hairstyle, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so this first hairstyle, it's not really a hairstyle, I just wanted to show you how I did my hair at the start. So it's all brushed out, I took a water bottle, I sprayed the front pieces, and then I applied some coconut oil. So this is the 100% pure coconut oil from Shea Moisture. And this was totally an accident. I was about to do an oil treatment on my hair and I decided that this looked cute, so I left it like this. I like to push my hair back behind my ears and leave the rest of it out. I feel like it's a nice juxtaposition to have my hair being all big at the back and then nice and sleek at the front. You know, this sounds like a mullet. You know how they say business in the front, party at the back? There we go. Okay, onto the first actual hairstyle. It's gonna be very basic, but I just wanted to show you something very simple for a little bit of inspiration. So even though this hairstyle, I'm not gonna finish it up to the nines, you kind of get the gist of how this could look if you spent a lot more time on it. So I've brushed everything to the back. I'm keeping that sleek vibe. I'm taking a satin scrunchie. The scrunchie is by Hedgy Hair, which is my online store, and that's the hairstyle. I really like it. In 2021, did you really think that I would do an entire hairstyles video without a claw clip? These have been my favorite accessory now for about a year. So of course I had to incorporate them into a big brushed out curls hairstyle. So it's the same technique that I use when my hair is really defined, except this time I'm just going to twist it a bit tighter just to make sure that all of this hair can fit inside a claw clip. And then depending on the length of your hair, you might also need to wrap it around into a bit of a bun, or it might be enough to just flip it up now and clip it like that. But my hair needs wrapping around like this, and I place that claw clip on top and then let your hair fan out. I'm obsessed. I feel like a main character in a chick flick from the early 2000s. Like, the vibes are immaculate. I don't need well wishes, good looks. What I need is love. You can keep your kisses and hugs. Okay, onto the next hairstyle. I'm letting all my hair back down again. I'm separating off the front pieces of my hair and I'm just going to brush those back and tie them with a tiny elastic. You could use a regular hair tie. You could even use scrunchies if you were feeling it, but I felt like the tiny elastics were the best one to go with for this. So I'm just going to tie that nice and tight. I'm going to make a hole in it and I'm going to push the rest of the hair through the hole and pull it back. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So I kind of like this because it makes your hair form little triangles and it reminds me of a kitten. So I kind of think of this as a kitten hairstyle. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody else. But then I take those two tied pieces and I tie them back. And that really helps to give you a little bit of a facelift. It helps the hairstyle to not kind of fall forward. I personally hate having my hair anywhere near my face, so this was necessary for me. If you don't mind your hair being in your face, then you could have just left it down. Remember, these hairstyles are more like inspiration, so just take the pieces that you like and modify it however you want to. I feel like it looks quite fairy tale-esque in a way. I really like this hairstyle. Okay, for the next hair, so you're going to need that pintail comb again, and I'm going to start separating hair. So first, a tiny piece at the front. I'm going to tie that with an elastic. So I'm using pink hair elastics for this look. I wanted elastics that matched my top, because why not? So I'm going to tie that nice and tight. Remember, when you're using hair elastics though, don't try to tie it too tight because they will snap. If you feel like it's got one more turn in it, just don't do that last turn because that will cause it to snap. And then I'm going to take another section and tie that, and then I'm taking another section and I'm tying that, and I tie every piece of hair together with the latest piece, so it's kind of looking like a braid even with no braiding involved, you know what I mean? So we're going to keep doing that all the way down this section. We're not going to do it all the way down my hair today, but that's something you could do. Remember, inspiration. So if you guys wanted to do a full head of this bubble braid kind of thing, that's something you could do and it would look amazing with your brushed out curls like this. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and that is the final look for the bubble braid hairstyle. Oh my gosh, I forgot I did this. Maybe this is the final look. So you could accessorize it a little bit more by bringing it to the back, using a nice little butterfly clip or something like that. In 2021, we're focusing on our inner child. We're just having fun with it and really embracing the obsession with accessories from the early 2000s. Like, they were all about it. I want to get all about it. Okay, on to the next one. So I've separated my hair over to the side, and this is going to be a half up, half down. So I always tie the bottom half first because it just makes it easier to make sure my hair doesn't get tangled and get in the way. So now I'm taking a big satin scrunchie and I'm tying up the top half of my head. And now I just want to sleek everything a bit more, get everything looking nice and smooth. So I'm using some edge control. This one's from TGIN. And that, my friends, is the final look for this one. I actually posted this look on my Instagram and a lot of people were asking me how I did it. So this is how I did it, guys. It was really easy. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to replicate it at home, or if you've taken some inspiration and you're going to do something a little bit differently with it. And let me know which one of these hairstyles from the video was your favorite overall. So was it the bubble braids? Was it the half up, half down? Was it something simple like the sleek ponytail? Was it one of the other ones? And as I've been editing this video, I had a whole bunch of ideas of other hairstyles that I could have done while my hair was like this. I could have done so much with this. I just didn't think of it at the time. So if you guys want me to make another video about big hairstyles for when your hair is brushed out like this, then let me know in the comment section. I don't know if anyone's actually going to like this video. Maybe everyone prefers defined curls rather than brushed out curls, but if you want to see more hairstyles with brushed out curls, then just let me know. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to see the vlog that I was talking about at the start, then just click right up there or head over to my channel and check out the rest of my videos. Don't forget to leave that comment so that you guys can get a shout out or have your comment pinned to the top. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Also get me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!